We can also look at biochemistry in the lenses of molecular genetics. In this, we are looking at the nature of molecules that contain our genetic material. In this case, basically the DNA. So with the DNA, we're interested in its structure, the process of its replication. We also look at transcription, translation, and how genes are expressed and their regulation. And then we have also what we call clinical biochemistry. For example, if you go to the hospital and you're sick, they can order for what we call, for example, liver function tests. Okay, with the liver function tests, they are looking at important molecules that are either synthesized by the liver, and then they see if these molecules are either high or low. They can signify whether the liver is actually affected or not. So that field is basically what we call clinical biochemistry. It's a field that looks at these the you can call them biomarkers, you can call them molecules in the body that are usually found in the body fluids, and then we can uh, quantify these molecules or biomarkers, then arrive at a diagnosis whether you have a given disease or not. Or sometimes, if you're on a particular treatment, we can look at these biomarkers to either say that the treatment is working or it is not working. Okay, so biochemical analysis look at these things, and these are basically applied in clinical um, biochemistry. Okay. We also have what we call biochemical toxicology. Toxicology is basically the study of toxins. So within our bodies, we could have toxins, and we could be interested in understanding uh, the structure of these toxins and how they cause injury to our cells, and what processes or what pathways these toxins undergo in order to cause any injuries to cells or tissues. So this is a field of biochemical toxicology. And then the last field or the last branch of biochemistry is what we call bioinformatics. With this, we are combining the study of biology that allows us to understand the different processes within a cell, their structures and everything, that we combine that knowledge with computer science and statistics to be able to generate what you call biological data, and then interpret this data and then reach conclusions. The practical application of this is basically what happens with if you go for a DNA test, or if you take your son or daughter for a DNA test, they basically get samples from the child, and then also samples from you, and then look at the DNA sequencing and then see whether there is any linkage between the structures are similar in terms of sequence. And then they can either prove whether you're the biological father or not. So that kind of application is under what you call bioinformatics.